Coming up in just one moment, can you believe it? In about a week, the kids are going to be out of school for a couple of weeks. So what do you do with them? Well, we've got some fun experiments you could set up at home. They'll keep them entertained, and guess what? They're going to learn something too. So that's the best part of it. That's coming up in just one moment.
She thought that Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue.
Welcome back to San Antonio Living. Okay, soon the kids will be out for winter or Christmas break, so they're going to be saying, Mom, I'm bored. Well, why not set up some of the experiments that we're about to show you? Not only will they have fun, but they're going to learn something as well. We brought in the experts today. We've got Stephen Wergler. He's with High Touch, High Tech. And he actually has a science name that we're going to learn in just one moment. And he has a special assistant here today as well, Miss Clarissa. And she's going to help me learn about science today. And it's all about having fun with science. So how should I address you? What's your science name?
You can call me Mr. Sonic.
Mr. Sonic. Okay, so if you're Miss Clarissa, you're Mr. Sonic. Do I get a science name too?
You can have a science name.
What
Do you like one?
should I be? Yes.
How about Miss Lightyear?
Miss Lightyear. I love that. Okay, and this is something that you do. You go into schools and you get kids fired up about science, right?
That's correct. Yep. We go to the school's locations and we conduct educational programs at the schools. All of our programs are aligned with the state standards. Or we also go to businesses. We work a lot with the nonprofit organizations for enrichment programs, and we also do really fun camps and birthday parties.
Okay, well, and he's going to teach us how we can do some of his experiments at home. Okay, so let's get started. What are we first going to learn about today?
So today we're going to be working with earth science. Our programs, we have life science programs, we have physical science programs, we have earth science programs.
Okay,
so today we're going to
earth
work
science.
with we're going to work with earth science. Earth science is really difficult for many students because it's so enormous. We're talking about the solar system, the universe, but even the earth is really huge. And even San Antonio, some kids haven't been to the other side of San Antonio. So today we're going to be working with earth science.
Okay, in our first experiment, I'm going to help here too. This is all about being interactive. Hello, ooh, this is the sun, right?
Ooh, it's a sun. It's a model.
Okay.
It's a model of the sun.
All right.
It's our model of the sun, and you'll see that Miss Clarissa is orbiting the Earth around the sun. And every time the Earth orbits around the sun, Miss Clarissa has a birthday.
Why is that?
Well, because I'm the center of the universe.
You are the center of the universe. Wow, I think you're stealing that title for some others as well.
No,
very cute.
It's because that the Earth travels around the sun once every 365 days, which is a year, and that's how we measure our birthday.
Wow, you're smart. How old are you?
11.
11. Okay, we've got a budding scientist here. All right,
So this
and I put away the sun.
So this program is called Cosmic Capers. The one that we just did, and we work with planets, and we work with the moons, we work with asteroids, meteors, and here we have an example of what we call our meteor tube. And let's each take a few of our meteors,
Okay.
and we're going to have a meteor shower. Let's put them right in there. Each one of us, put them all in there. Clarissa, you can put yours in there as
All
well.
right.
You'll see.
Is something going to
What are we
explode?
seeing, Clarissa?
How meteors enter the atmosphere and how they impact the Earth's surface.
I
You
see.
can see them coming down through the
Those
atmosphere
are the meteors
like
going like that.
Yeah, and they're coming down. This is a model for how they come down through the atmosphere. And interestingly enough, the Earth is passing through a meteor shower right now. Over the next 2 days, from about 12 till 2 in the morning,
So we can see
you can
it?
go outside and you can see the Gemini meteor shower.
Fantastic.
Yeah, really fantastic.
Good to know. Okay, what is this experiment?
Okay, this one right here.
This is a cloud,
This,
okay.
There we have a cloud.
in the-
You have a cloud, and here
In
we
the
have a model of our aquifer. And in this program, this is called Psychobabble.
Okay.
Psychobabble.
Get
What
it?
we're going to
Okay.
do
What?
Is this going to rain, right, Clarissa?
our clouds, yeah, our students model the water cycle. And so what we're going to do is we're going to rain onto the aquifer. So all our scientists will model the water cycle where the water dries up, and then the water forms clouds,
Right.
and then the water rains onto the surface.
You know, this
of
is
our area.
something that my second grader is learning about right now, and then each year you add on to that, and you learn more and more details. So this is such a good demonstration that you
Yeah.
can do with your kids no matter what age they
Yeah,
are.
this is wonderful.
Okay.
So what about our water cycle? What are the big words that we use for our water cycle?
Oh, yes.
Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
And precipitation.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah,
You get an A
precipitation.
plus. You're the star student. Okay, we got one more
So we
minute.
also have our Dig It program, which is soils, rocks, and how it works with our aquifer. So what we have here is our model for our aquifer. It rains on the aquifer, it flows through the aquifer, out the blue hole, and down into our model of San Antonio.
And this is the Riverwalk, right?
This is the Riverwalk.
Okay,
yeah.
Fantastic.
So Clarissa, maybe you can tell her about...
Well, we have a blueprint over here that we made with ultraviolet light for the
You made this
Alamo.
with ultraviolet light. Okay, we're almost out of time, so tell us what this means.
These are the Riverwalk bridges. This is our paper model, and these are the Riverwalk barges.
The barges, wow, they look kind of like Lego. Are they Lego? They are? Okay, very cool.
They're edible too.
And they're edible as well. So you never know, you'll find little surprises too. Also, facts that are speckled through, and kids will really get what they're learning in class, or maybe something that they're not learning yet. So fun experiments, and I love that you even have the News 4 transmitter tower there too. There you go.
It's a very important architectural feature in San Antonio.
Fantastic. All right, this is how you can have Steve or Mr. Sonic come by your church group, your school, your place of business, your, I guess you have Cub Scout meetings, whatever group you have gathering. Give him a call, 210-359-8648. Again, it's called High Touch, High Tech. You can also go online. Great website, ScienceMadeFun, SATX.net. So check it out. Okay, we went from science.
Experience that comes to you.
There you go. Go from science to something that's cuddly, shall we? I know.